this video, we'll learn to register our business with Google. So for this, first we'll go to Google My Business. Let's type in Google My Business. Let's click on the first link. So this is the Google My Business page. Here is where you can register your business with Google. So let us sign in first. So I'll sign in with the Co-Founders Zone Gmail account, which is the Gmail account of my new startup. Let me type in the password. As you can see, it asks me to type in the business name. So let me type in Co-Founder Zone. So this is the business name. Let's click on next. So it is asking me to select a category. So here we must remember that we must select one best category which represents our business and which is also there in the option of Google. Okay, so for me the best category will be Business Networking Company, because we help startups in building their perfect teams. Let's click on next. So do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? So because mostly this is done by local businesses, so I'll be ticking on yes. Okay, but if it's a no for you, you can click on no. Next. So here we'll be filling the address. So let us fill in a random address for now, like so as you can see, I have filled in the address. Let's click on next. So do you serve customers outside this location? So maybe you're a service company, alright, or a logistics company. So maybe your main office is in one location and you serve people from various other locations also. So for them, you will be clicking on yes, I also serve them outside my location. But for now, I'll be clicking on no, I don't. Next. What contact details do you want to show to customers? So I would recommend to show your mobile number, alright, and also to put your website in. So let me put in the mobile number and the website URL, which is, let's click on next. So here as you can see that we have filled the form and we can click on finish. And then it wants to verify us. Okay, so for every business who fills this, Google verifies by physically sending a postcard. So you just need to write your name in here. And it says that it will send me a postcard with a code which will be mailed to my address. So I'll just click on mail. So now you will get your postcard within 12 days with a code in it. Okay. Now as you can see, it is writing pending verification. So let us go to info. Now when you receive the postcard and you receive the code that is there in the postcard, you can just click verify now. And you can enter the code here and click on verify. Now after this, you can start optimizing your Google My Business listings.